EcoFlow PowerStream Balcony Solar System. Balcony Hook Kit Installation. To set up the system, start with mounting a solar panel using our Balcony Hook Kit. Measure the height of your fence and do as instructed. Peel off the self-stick protective pad and stick it to the hook. Fix the hook on your selected spot of the bracket. Use the accessories to mark down the position of the bracket on a solar panel. Fasten the screw to fix the end clamp on the bracket's lower end. Now fix the end clamp on the bracket's upper end. Now install it on your balcony. This will take 2 people. Install the hook anti-detachment device. Reinforcing the hook kit with cable ties. Loosen the screw. Use nylon rope to fix at least 4 of the solar panel mounting holes to the fence. This cable is for connecting solar panels to the PowerStream microinverter. Lay the solar panel on the ground. Attach the fixing bracket to the back of the solar panel. Fasten the screws. Fix these 2 screw brackets with a torque screw and wing nut. Adjust the bracket's angle to the one you choose and fasten the screws. Flip it over. Now it's ready to capture sunlight. With its compact design, this microinverter fits right into your home. You can place it on your portable power station. No fixation needed. It can also be fixed onto a wall. Screw this installation board to the back of the inverter. Fix the inverter to the pre-drilled holes on the wall. Plug BKW solar cable into the PV port. And connect the other end to the solar panel connection cable to pair with solar panels. Plug the battery cable into the microinverter's battery port and the other end into the extra battery port of the power station. If you wish to connect Delta Pro or a River Series power station, use these cables instead. The power station should be placed indoors and you can use the super flat cable to connect your solar panels and microinverter. Extension cables are available on our official website if needed. Use the BKW AC cable to connect the inverter's AC output port and an AC socket. Switch on the power station. When the inverter's LED indicator is on, it means that the home circuits are energized and the solar panel starts working. Install the protective case onto the microinverter. Click on the Add Device button or the Up Plus icon. Click on the microinverter to connect. Select your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Then click Next to connect. Once the connection is done, it's time to give your home solar system a beautiful name. Plug it into an AC socket and plug an appliance in it. Turn on or off the connected appliance on the EcoFlow app. Turn off the power station. Use a solar disassembly wrench to disconnect the solar panel and the microinverter. And use the cable puller to pull out the connectors.